YouTube, what's up? It's your boy again, Harold HB274 TV, and look what I'm doing here. See that? Right there? That was this. That was this light fixture that we had up here. Of course, I had to turn the power off because I'm replacing this with this. All right, this is from Secure 360. I've had this for a long time, and I was gonna put it on the garage. That right there, Secure 360. You can tell it's, oh Lord, the box is all tore up. But I was gonna put it on top of the garage, but I decided to go with something else for security. But it'll be great right here because it's already powered, and so I could just put it on here, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Well, this is my first time, so what I did was I took the nuts off the negative and the power, and I clipped the ground wire, so that way, and I kept it a little extended, so that way I can put the secure light on. Okay, so let me get some more stuff. I think I need another bit for my drill, and we'll get started. Alright, first things first, gotta put the bracket on. It says front right here, as you can see. That's gotta go right here, and since this box right here is kind of crooked, what I'll do is I'll just, of course, just put it in there sideways. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, and luckily it's already screws that was attached to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those in. Just kind of do this camera work with one hand, kind of hard. We're gonna get it done. Alright, so that's why you had this. Go ahead and screw that on in. Can y'all see that? Alright. Nice and neat. Just make it nice and neat. Sound like my good, but you need some power. Alright. Yeah. Okay, next step. Let's check it out. Flies, man. Golly, flies. Alright, so next, you gotta put the cover on. And that's gotta go like this. Oh, gotta go through the wires. Let me sure y'all can see that. Ah! And then, boom. No, don't worry. I'm gonna cover all this up. I have got some flexi seal I'm gonna use. It's white too, so we'll do that when it's time. All right, let me screw this in. I have to put the camera down, so I'll be back. Alright, so what I'm doing is I put some flexi tape right here. This was open space, and I'm gonna actually spray it when I get through putting it down, cut the ends off, and just make it look neat, okay? So let me put this piece on right here, and we'll get back. Alright, so this little repair kit I got right here, got it from Walmart. It's gonna come in real handy, because I gotta screw in these little screws, or unscrew them where the wires go in, and then screw them back. And it only has a flathead attachment to the screw, and there's my flatheads right there. This should work perfectly. All you gotta do is slip this on in right here. Yeah, I got some house shoes on. Slip that in, boom. And then this one's a little too thick, a little too big, a little too big, a little too wide, that is. Let's try this one. Slip that on in and unscrew it just a little bit so the wires can fit in. Unscrew it. Okay. So now the black wire goes in here, because it tells you easy to tell you. Look at it. That says Negro, and that says Blanco for all my Spanish-speaking people, which is Negro. Who in America don't know what that is? Stick it in there, like so. Let me put this camera down so I can get them in there. I can't work with one hand. All right, now as you can see, I had to clip the ends because they were too long, and I didn't want no exposed wire showing. So that's in. Now we got the ground wire. Let's take care of that. All right, so I got this other bracket on there too, the original bracket that came with the other light fixture. Makes it easier. What I'm gonna do is cramp this ground wire to this so I can screw it in to the ground. All right, so I got my wire connected, all these flies, wire cramper, and we're gonna do that and knock it out. So let's get started. Ready? Magic touch. And there you have it. It is grounded. Everything is in. Now all I gotta do is put it back together. So once I screw this back in, and then we can cut the edges off of the flexi seals and then spray it. So let's get started. All right, so now that's on there, and you can hear the air conditioner running. Now that's on there nice and tight, I'm just gonna, and the light actually covers most of this up, but I'm just gonna flexi seal around here anyway, because I like flexi seal and it's good. So what I'm gonna do is tape around the house, so I won't have no extra white flexi seal around, and plus the border's gonna look good because it matches the wood. Flexi seal, baby. Let's get it going. All right, guys, I got it taped up. Got a little extra flexi seal around these edges that was loose, so no water can get into it. Flexi seal don't play that. Let's spray. All right, now you've seen me spray before, so it's all good. I don't want to get it on the house, but you see how flexi seal works. I'm just spraying a little quick coat. Just kind of trying to get on the house, but just little dots. Let that dry a little bit, and then do it again. All right, guys, the light does work. See the blue light on, camera's on, and the lights come on at night. I programmed them to come on at night. I silicone. I have to take all that other crap off, and I put silicone on. And I'm gonna see if I can spray some what's that stuff called? Flexi seal. Yeah, Flexi seal on it. But I'm gonna have to really dig into it. So let me give it a shot, and I'll come back at you. All right, so I got it done. I sprayed a little Flexi seal on it. It is what it is. Not too bad. So like, comment, subscribe. Let your boy know. We'll try to do some other home improvement projects as well. Well, we actually painted the office. We moved the office and painted it, and I'll show that to y'all one day. Maybe tomorrow. We'll check it out. So like, comment, subscribe. I'll let your boy. Peace.
I'm above the rim, ain't worried about them. My shorty exotic, and plus she all in. She told me I got it, so I double the profit. Go call me a Mozzie, then I squat off the lot. And it ain't gon' stop, still rolling at 5. Spent plenty of nights with tears in my eyes, don't kill my vibe.